Yeah, but it's not all circulating. It's not about what's circulating. It's about what hits the market. If the market cap keeps going up, and let's say I'm a whale, let's say I own 90% of the supply outstanding of Pulse X, the market cap could keep going up. If I don't sell, it keeps going up, irrespective of how high it is. So why would it matter? It's on you to explain why it would matter. It's on you to explain why it is important. What's important is buyers and sellers. That's what makes the price. And what makes people wanna buy and sell, varies based on, you know, token distribution, memes, um, you know, game theory, community, things like that, innovation, utility, whatever. Many metrics, but market cap is not one of them. And the proof of that is the fact that Bitcoin has a bigger market cap, and especially at its all-time high, had a bigger market cap than almost not every company in S&P 500. Um, Shiba Inu, I don't know if you heard of that. That is a meme coin, had a bigger market cap than stocks trading on the S&P 500, companies with, you know, uh, employees, advertising, boards, products. I mean, none of that mattered. None of that mattered. Market cap went up irrespective of how high it was. And that's because there were a lot of big whales out there that just didn't wanna sell. So, market cap is not meaningful. Market cap does not mean anything. Richard Hart, that was one of his great, contributions to the crypto space. It's one of his great contributions, one of his great philosophical contributions to the crypto space was market cap being meaningless and Hart's law. Hart's law was big. Hart's law is something that you've never heard anywhere else, and that was very mind-blowing and very insightful. Until then, everyone was saying, "It's all manipulated. They're all moving together. It's all manipulated. There's some guy, there's, some Mr. Whatever, just saying the Federal Reserve is saying what the price should be." It was like a bunch of nonsense, a bunch of complete, absolute nonsense. And, he pointed out, rightfully so, that they're bonded in liquidity pools. So, yeah, I hope that answers that, Mr. Bedini Beats. But Bedini Beats does not seem satisfied. I'm sorry, Bedini Beats. I don't think it's an important metric when there's a lot staked, invested, etc. But when it's circulating, people can dump. It's just my thoughts. People can dump even when there's staked. Um, there's still a lot liquid that could be dumped. People could always dump Bitcoin, and Bitcoin has always been going up. In fact, the more it goes up, the less money it takes to move the price up. So I think right now we're at one. I think $1 put into Bitcoin. I think it moves up. There's a correlation that as the price keeps going up, the market cap moves up more with less money. So like $1 put into Bitcoin moves the market cap up $10. That's crazy. It's just ridiculous. It's just stupid. There's more to the price, and um, so you're saying there's a lot staked invested. Yeah, so the amount that's staked invested, that's more meaningful. That's a meaningful metric, but market cap is not. Market cap is not. Those are things that make sense, right? Uh, Staked, invested, those things actually mean something for the price. But what the market cap is doesn't. It means zero, zero. Um, it's tell Roger Ver day one. Well, he might have actually believed you because he had a very bold prediction. But tell the vast majority of people day one of Bitcoin, not day one, like because then no one heard of it, but like when Bitcoin was on the fringes and was considered criminal stuff, tell them that it was going to have a bigger market cap than most Fortune 500 companies. What would they do? They just laugh you out the place. Tell them that would be worth $69,000 each. They would laugh at you, but the market cap did not prevent that from happening. The price did not prevent that from happening. So I don't think the market cap would be, and there is no proof that it would prevent price appreciation. I think something that you could look at that would be more meaningful would be how famous something is. Like if everybody knows about something, its returns are going to diminish. It's going to be due a big correction. Um, but how high its market cap is means nothing. And Bitcoin's market cap continued going higher and higher for a very long time before people really knew what Bitcoin was. Like Bitcoin was at $1,000 of Bitcoin, and most people didn't know what Bitcoin was. It wasn't until it really had that 20,000 run up. Is that better? Say yes, please. Is that a more satisfying answer, Mr. Bedini Beats? If not, make sure you book a consultation at furufinance.com. But I appreciate you though. So then he says, not that they will just, they can. He's not satisfied, but then he says yes. So yes, yes, we got him. We got him. Thank you. Thank you for commenting.